Hey guys, we're here at Earl Stewart Toyota in the service department. We're going to talk a little bit about different things on a Sienna van for you soccer moms that maybe the husband's out of town and you're wondering how to check something or to do something with your vehicle. Maybe you're going across the state to take your kids to go play soccer or to a baseball game or something like that, and you want to know how to fill your washer fluid. Well, we're going to show you how to do that today and show you where to do it and how to properly do it. Of course, this is our Sienna van. It's a 2019. Everything is basically marked on the vehicle. Right here you have to fill your washer fluid. It's marked, but a lot of people get confused because there's other places that you could put fluid in and it's the wrong fluid. It shows you and it tells you what it is, and usually the fluid color is usually blue or a green. It's never red, so never put anything in there that's red. Or if you see somewhere where the red fluid is there, don't put any other kind of fluid in there. Second thing we're going to show you is type of oil and how to just check your oil, just to make sure it's not too low. This is called your dipstick, and it says engine oil on it. And you can just pull it up, and you always want to do this before a trip, before you start the car in the morning, and you want to be on a flat surface. It has 2 dots on it. As you can see, our oil level is perfect because it's at the highest point of the dot, and that's where you always want to be. You don't want to be way up here, or you don't want to be down here. Okay, and if you do have to add oil, all our vehicles, all our Toyota vehicles, on the filler cap is always the size of oil. This van particularly takes a synthetic 0W20, and that's what you should buy and that's what you should put in it. Another biggest thing we see is batteries. Sometimes your battery dies. You were at the soccer game, you sat in the car just with the car off, but you played the radio and your car died. A lot of mistakes people do is they jump the battery backwards and they cause bigger issues than what they had. Usually 90% of the time you will have a red cap, which is positive. That is where you put your positive cable to, and it's always red. And your negative, which is black, will be on the opposite side. And you always have to remember, red is positive. You don't want to cross them because you create a larger situation than what you need. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys took a good tip out of this information, and don't forget to subscribe to learn more about other features.